Hi, this is Keith Bryant for Global SMT and Packaging at Productronica India, and I'm here with Suresh from Leaptech on the Leaptech stand. So, first easy question for you, sir, what's new?
Well, products are more or less same, only that we have some new models with certain new features, and that's what we are trying to demonstrate here and explain to our customers.
Okay, so give us a couple of ideas of the newer features that you have.
Okay, one of our main principle, that is Yamaha YSM equipment, pick and place machine specifically. We have launched a newer platform called YRM series, and this YRM series, the speciality of this particular platform is that it comes with a rotary head, the rotary component mounting head. So that is what we are displaying here. This machine is, again, though it comes with, has the option of choosing a rotary head, it comes with the other types of heads also where the flexibility can be still achieved.
Okay, so basically it's a more flexible platform than you had before.
Yes, flexibility as well as speed.
Oh.
Both can be achieved with one single machine, because this machine can accommodate two different beams, so two different heads. So you can always choose if you want both flexibility as well as speed. You can go for one rotary head and the other flexible head.
Yeah. So you have a lot of options in the same box.
Yes, that's it.
Yeah, that's definitely a good plan, because electronics is changing so fast. You don't know now. A component's going to be smaller. Some are getting bigger. You know, it's always a struggle.
The new age products, if you see, there are very minute components are also involved. There are bigger components are also involved in the same PCB. And many customers would prefer a machine which is flexible enough to handle all the components, that is from the smallest to the biggest.
So, this is the second day of the show. How is the customer feeling for this been so far?
Yeah, customers are impressed with this machine, especially seeing the machine in running condition and the options that is being offered with the new platform.
Right, and let's finish up with Leaptech. Obviously going forward, you're riding the wave of Make in India like everyone else, and things are great. So just tell me what your vision is for the future.
Well, we definitely expect this PCB assembly industry to grow exponentially. Okay, on an average at least 20 to 30% every year. That is what we have been seeing post-COVID. So I personally expect this to continue for at least for next few years. Plus, along with that, the semiconductor industry is also now growing with the special focus from the government of India. So we'll be able to benefit from the growth of semiconductor industry as well.
Well, Suresh, it sounds like you're going to be riding the wave. Thank you for sharing with us.
Thank you.
And wish you success for the future.
Thank you.
That's Keith Bryant for Global SMT and Packaging, signing off.